Hi, I'm Hugh Smith from QuickThinking.com. Today, let's show you how to get the AAeMojis on Android 11 and up. First thing, you've installed the app, swipe to the left, swipe again, select Use Emojis to Text. Save them to your device. We've sped it up a little bit for you. Now the stickers are saved. Well, how do you use them? It's quite simple. Go back to the full list, select the emoji from the list that you would like. We have some animated ones at the top. If you see this, just allow. We only have access to the emojis. I've selected the gallery, could be called the library. Select the one that you want. And you see here I'm in the Messages app. I've added that emoji to the message, and away we go. It's that simple. Let's try it now on Android 8. This is the same for Android 6 through 10. This machine is Android 8. Assuming you've installed the app already, select Photos, then select AAeMojis album or from the library. Now you're in the album itself. Select the emoji you'd like. Let's select that guy right there. See the check mark? Do a long press to select it. Now here's a second way. Select the gallery. If you have multiple galleries, select the one you want, AAeMojis album. Here are the emojis. Let's select this one. Now it's in my messaging app. I've put my message and I've sent it. Away we go. That's how you do it in Android 6 to 10. And as you've seen, how to do it in Android 11 Plus. Enjoy.
Here's how to use AAeMojis. In any app where you see a little paper clip, you should be able to add our emojis as an attachment.